So what we have here is a custom shoe that is the outcome of a new segment that we are involved in, and that we call HP FitStation. The way it works is that we get a custom scan of an individual's foot, and we also pattern the bottom of their feet and how they walk. Based on that, we develop specific custom shoe recommendations that we offer, and today they're available in all of the locker rooms of the NFL teams in the US. A second way that we take that scan is that we have partnered with Superfeet in delivering custom insoles. And what's beautiful about this is that we are able to leverage the HP Multi-Jet Fusion 3D print capability in delivering these custom insoles. And then this is another level of taking that scan and delivering custom shoes, which we will start by the end of the year based on your own custom scan. Things that are enabling you to be more custom fit, custom designed for you are a huge opportunity for us because it provides more personalized solutions for everybody.